Good morning, Year 1 and Year 2, and today we're going to be learning all about telling the time. So, first of all, we need to recap how to tell the time. In school, you have learnt about o'clock, half past, and you've started to learn about quarter past and quarter to. So let's quickly recap those. Remember, when the big hand is pointing to the 12, can you see there it's hidden, then it is o'clock. So at the moment it is 1 o'clock. If I move the hour hand round, so your minute hand would have gone all the way around, this is now 2 o'clock because your small hand is pointing at the 2 and your big hand is pointing at the 12. So Year 1 and Year 2, what time is it now? Pause the video and tell you're grown up. That's right, 6 o'clock. How about now? That's right, 10 o'clock, because your little hand is pointing to your 10. Okay, when the 30 minutes has passed, when your minute hand has moved halfway around the clock and your hour hand is in between two numbers, we call this half past. So you need to look at the time that it's gone past. So here, the hour hand has gone past the 10. So it is 10:30. What time is it now? That's right, 2:30, because the hour hand has gone past the 2 and it's not yet at the 3. Can you see? It's exactly halfway. It's pointing at my dot. How about now? What time is it now, Year 1 and Year 2? That's right, it's 4:30. One more, let's move it all the way up here. Oh, my hands are getting stuck together. What time is it now, Year 1 and Year 2? That's right, it's 11:30, 11:30. Well done. We also have quarter past and quarter to. So here, if I move my hour hand back to the top, we can see that if we split our circle, we have a quarter, a half, and 3/4, quarter to. So my hour hand would have moved just slightly past the hour. So this time it's 12:15. Can you see? Imagine this is our circle split into a fraction. 12:15. Oh, wrong hand to move, Mrs. Court. What time is it now? That's right, 5:15. My hands are getting stuck together again. And what time is it now? That's right, 8:15. Okay, last one to teach you or to remind you of. When your minute hand, is pointing to the 9, it has gone around your clock. Imagine your fractions. It's gone a quarter, a half, 3/4. So we actually say 1:45. Look, there's only a quarter left until we get back to the o'clock. So the time is 9:45. What time is it now? That's right, it's nearly at the 1, so it's 1:45. And the last one, how about now? That's right, 6:15, 5:45. Okay, Year 1 and Year 2, I have a challenge for you. Sophie starts her maths test at 11:10. Don't worry about the time, it looks like this. 5 minutes past, 10 minutes past, 10 minutes past 11. My question for you is this. It takes her 5 minutes to complete each maths question. What time will she have finished when she has finished and done 5 maths questions? Let me say that to you again. The time is 11:10. It takes her 5 minutes to do each maths question. What time will she be finished if she completes 5 questions? Pause the video and talk to your grown-up about how you might work this out. That's right, we are going to need to do 5 times 5. Each question is going to take her 5 minutes and there's 5 of them. So let's count on our fingers. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So what is 25 minutes after 11:10, 10 past 11? Well, let's count round the clock and see. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 25 minutes after 10 past is round here with the big hand pointing to the 7. Okay, so the time is now 11, 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, because we know that was 30, 35. The time is 11:35. Well done if you managed to do that. If you really struggled, telling the time is quite difficult. So why don't you ask your grown-up to help you and see if you can practice reading the time on an analogue clock at home. Well done. Speak to you soon.